What to do if you regret a piercing? If you're feeling regretful about a piercing, you're not alone. Many people experience this emotion, and there are several steps you can take to address it. First, let's talk about why you might regret a piercing. It could be due to the appearance, placement, or style of the piercing, or even social or professional consequences. Maybe your preferences have changed over time, or you're just not comfortable with the piercing anymore. Removing the jewelry. One of the simplest ways to deal with regret is to remove the jewelry and let the piercing heal. If you're unhappy with your piercing, you can take out the jewelry and allow the wound to close up. This is most effective if done within the first few weeks of getting the piercing, as the hole can shrink easily during this time. However, be aware that some piercings, especially those on cartilage, might leave scars or bumps even after removing the jewelry. Covering or concealing the piercing. If you don't want to remove the piercing but still want to hide it, there are several methods to cover or conceal it. You can wear hats, scarves, or hair accessories to cover ear piercings. For other types of piercings, you can use flesh-colored or clear retainers to make them less noticeable. Makeup or camouflage jewelry can also be used to hide the piercing. Seeking professional help. If your regret is severe or persistent, it might be helpful to seek professional help. You can consult with a counselor or therapist to explore the reasons behind your regret and find ways to cope with your emotions and self-image. For more physical concerns, you can consult with a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon to discuss the possibility of removing or modifying the piercing through surgical or laser procedures. However, be aware of the risks, costs, and limitations of these procedures before making a decision. Safe removal techniques. If you decide to remove the piercing yourself, it's crucial to do it safely. Start by preparing the necessary tools: sterile gloves, saline solution or a mild antiseptic, a specialized jewelry removal tool if needed, and sterile gauze for cleaning the area. Wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap before handling the piercing. For threaded jewelry like barbells, gently unscrew one of the ends. For rings, use a specialized tool to open the jewelry if necessary. Slowly remove the jewelry, ensuring you don't force it to avoid irritation or tearing. After removal, clean the area with saline solution or a mild antiseptic and apply sterile gauze to soothe the skin. Post-removal care. After removing the jewelry, it's important to clean the area properly to prevent infection. Use saline solution or a mild antiseptic to clean the area and apply sterile gauze to soothe the skin. Regularly monitor the area for any signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, or discharge. If you notice any of these symptoms, seek medical attention promptly. By following these steps, you can address your regret and move forward in a way that feels right for you. Remember, it's okay to change your mind, and there are always options available to help you feel more comfortable with your body.